Hello and welcome to lesson 2 of our beginner ukulele course. So if you haven't seen lesson 1, I'll put that in the description, and if you have seen it, then great, let's get straight into it. In this lesson we will be covering how to play the A minor chord, the C chord, we'll practice strumming to the beat, and finally we'll practice transitioning from the C chord to A minor. So I chose A minor because it's such a simple chord, and once you learn it, you practice it and you get used to that position. To play the A minor chord, you just want to have your middle finger on this top string on the 2nd fret. So grab your ukulele, get it in a comfortable position, and then using your middle finger, you just want to put it on the top string, which is the G string, and you want to push it down on the 2nd fret, and then we're going to strum. Just like that. Take your middle finger off, put it back on the top string on the 2nd fret, and strum. And take it off, and back on, strum. If you want to, you can use a guitar pick, but I don't think it's necessary. But you do what's comfortable for you. I literally use this part of my nail downwards. And just practice that for a minute. Practice that for a little bit, and when you're ready to move on, we're going to move this finger down to the bottom string, which is the A string, and we're going to go 3rd fret to play the C chord. And it sounds like this. It's very happy. C major. Take your finger off, put it back on. So just to recap, we've got middle finger, 2nd fret top string for A minor, and then we've got the next finger along, we've got the bottom string, 3rd fret for C major. Together they sound like this, so we go A minor then C. Now what we're going to do is, because you want to play in rhythm, we'll start with a simple rhythm. So what we're going to do is we're going to count a little bit like a metronome, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. But what we're going to do is we're going to strum either A minor or C major, and we're just going to play on the 1, and it goes a little bit like this. I'm going to start, and then you play it along with me if you can. I'll go nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how did you find that? Was it alright? If you did, then that's great, you're doing a good job. Now we're going to make it a little bit more difficult if you can. But what we're going to do is we're going to play on the 1 and the 3. I'm going to do the C this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you get the picture. A little bit more difficult. Now if you can do that, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to play on every single beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So far in our lesson, we've learned how to play the A minor chord, the C chord. We've learned how to play on the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Play on the 1 and the 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And playing on every single beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so the final thing that I want you to do is practice the transition from the A minor chord to the C chord. And we're going to play in beat. So just to make it easy, we'll just play on the 1, and we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4 with the A minor, and then we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4 with the C, and we'll keep swapping backwards and forwards. It would be great practice if you could practice transitioning between them. Just playing those two chords together, one after the other, in rhythm. It will really help you later on. You will advance so much quicker by doing this. So learning two chords, which are absolute fundamentals, you're going to use these constantly, and then you're also learning the rhythm. And the rhythm is everything with music. This is what we're going to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4. As you get more confident, I want you to practice playing every beat and switching it up. And when that transition is very smooth, you'll be able to go to the next lesson. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Let me know what you want to learn and I'll make a video on it. Until next time,